To comment anonymously on Facebook, you must be in a Facebook group that has allowed and enabled the anonymous participation feature. True anonymous commenting is generally not available for standard personal timelines or regular public pages.